In this video, I am going to discuss about another chopper, which is step-up chopper. The step-up chopper is a static device in which the output voltage is greater than the input voltage. Output voltage is greater than the input voltage. V0 is greater than the Vs. Let's see the circuit diagram of step-up chopper. This is the circuit diagram of step-up chopper. Vs is the source or supply voltage, Is is the source or supply current, L is the inductor. Here we are having the VL voltage, and FD is the freewheeling diode. Then here it is a chopper, CH is the chopper, which is a switch, static switch having the fast switching characteristics, and I0 is the output or load current, V0 is the output or load voltage. This is about step up circuit diagram. Then coming to the operation of the step up chopper. So to discuss the operation, we have to draw the waveforms first. At first we have to draw the source voltage. Because of this DC supply, the source voltage always a constant, that is Vs is like this. So next, coming to the output voltage, and Is and I0. So when the switch is in on condition, what will happen? When the switch is closed, the current will be flow from the inductor and to the chopper. When the switch is closed, these terminals are short circuited, and then the output voltage will be equals to 0 when the switch is in on condition. When T on, the output voltage is 0. But the supply current will be increased because of this short circuit current. That means we will appear like this. The current will be gradually increased when the switch is in on condition. Here also its inductor will stores the energy when the switch is closed. Then what will happen if the switch is closed? What will happen? Actually, when the switch is closed, Vs equals to 0. When the switch is closed, Vs equal to 0, that is equal to V0. Output voltage also 0. I explained this. Then when the switch is opened, what will happen? When the switch is opened, the current will flow from here to freewheeling diode onto the load. In this case, the supply voltage Vs when the switch is open, that is off condition, V0 equal to supply voltage Vs plus inductor voltage VL. When the switch is closed, V0 equal to Vs plus VL. So let's draw here. When the switch is T off, V0 equal to Vs plus VL. What will the current? The current will be decreased. So the inductor will dissipates the energy in the form of current, then the current will be decreased gradually like this. The current will be decreased when the switch is off condition. Then what will the output current? Let's mention this minimum current when the switch is closed, that is I1, when it is a maximum current I2. When the switch is open, that is off condition, here we are having the maximum current is I2 and minimum current is I1. So the output voltage when the switch is off condition means is equals to the output current, that is supply current equal to output current. When the switch is open, here Is equals to I0. In the T off condition, Is current equals to I0. Because of these are in series condition, this is in open condition, Is equal to I0. Let's mention this is the output current. This is about the operation of the step up chopper. Then let's discuss about the output voltage derivation, expression for the output voltage. I will explain this in simply, you can understand very easily. Coming to this V0 output voltage, we have to know about the what is the energy expression. Energy actually equal to voltage into current into time. Here we have to compare when the switch is in on condition, when the switch is in off condition, what is the energy. That is Wi equals to input energy stored in the inductor is Vs Is T on. When the switch is in on condition, it is supply step up chopper, that means Vs is itself Vs, there is no change in the input supply. Then what is the W0? W0 equal to V0 minus Vs into Is into T off. When the switch is in off condition, this is expression 1 and this is expression 2. Then equate the equation 1 and equation 2. 1 equal to 2. Then Vs Is T on V0 minus Vs Is T off. Is get cancelled. Vs T on equals to V0 into T off minus Vs into T off. Then Vs T on plus Vs T off equals to V0 into T off. Let's common the Vs T on plus T off equals to V0 into T off. We already know that T on plus T off equal to T. So that's why the expression will be like this. Vs into T equal to V0 into T off. Then V0 equal to Vs into T by T off. T off equal to T minus T on. Then you can write Vs into T by T minus T on. Then common the common T when Vs into T by, let's common T 1 minus T on by T. Then T get cancelled. V0 equal to Vs divided by 1 minus D, where D is the duty cycle. This is the output voltage equal to Vs into 1 by 1 minus D, where D is the duty cycle. This is about the step up chopper. I hope you understand well. This is a simple concept. Sometimes the step up chopper will be asked as boost converter. If they ask for 2 marks or 5 marks, you can write step up chopper itself. When they ask boost converter, if they ask 10 marks, the boost converter, the circuit diagram will be different. Then I will explain the boost converter also. Sometimes they ask buck converter, you can write step down chopper. Actually the step down chopper also known as buck converter, step up chopper is also known as boost converter. So thank you very much for watching. Then in the next video I will explain step up and step down chopper. Thank you.